Hey everyone. This week in crypto was wild. We saw price swings, major legal drama, and new global adoption moves. Let's break it down fast and look at what could come next week. Bitcoin has been trading around the low $90,000, crawling higher as sentiment steadies after recent volatility. BTC is up slightly on the week, but still range-bound between about $88,000 to $93,000, showing caution among traders. Ethereum and altcoins also showed mixed performance. Some rebounds but persistent resistance in key layers of demand. One big driver this week was Federal Reserve policy noise. Even though the Fed cut rates, Bitcoin barely moved, suggesting that macro support isn't translating to explosive crypto gains yet. Altcoins had a rough patch too. ETH recently dipped because of network concerns and weaker fundamentals, even as the broader market stayed slightly positive. And it wasn't just prices. The headlines mattered. Do Kwon, co-founder of Terraform Labs, was sentenced to 15 years in prison for crypto fraud linked to the Terra ecosystem crash. A massive event reminding investors of legal risk in the industry. Pakistan signed an MOU with Binance to explore tokenizing up to $2 billion in sovereign assets, a sign of institutional blockchain adoption in emerging markets. India's central bank deputy strongly warned against stablecoins, highlighting systemic risk and pushing CBDCs instead. Another sign of global regulatory divergence. These news stories show the market isn't just about price. It's about regulation, risk, and real-world integration. Looking ahead, here's what could move markets next week. Macro and Fed signals. With ongoing focus on interest rates, any hawkish or dovish surprise can shift risk assets like Bitcoin and altcoins. ETF and institutional flows. Spot Bitcoin ETF flows remain a big technical driver. Stabilization or new inflows could push prices above key resistance. Volatility ahead. December is still historically volatile for crypto. Price swings shouldn't surprise anyone. Technically, for Bitcoin to ignite a new uptrend, holding above $94,000 and reclaiming momentum is key. If that fails, consolidation near current levels could continue before any breakout. Also, watch broader markets. Tech and risk assets often correlate with crypto sentiment in the short term. So this week gave us stability, headlines, and structural signals, not a blow-off rally. Next week could finally give us direction, either continuation of range trading or a breakout toward fresh levels. If you want deeper weekly crypto breakdowns, hit subscribe and let's ride the next wave together.